best effective oils for cracked heels. Besides being used to help defend diseases and conditions, essential oils can also be used on the skin to improve issues such as cracked heels. With the right oils, you can now enjoy a spa treatment on your dry skin to improve your cracked heels. The essential oils are botanical concentrated oils that are used for aromatherapy and massage. Before using your oils on the cracked heels, start by soaking the heels in warm water and using a pumice stone to slough off the dead skin. You can then massage the oils onto the heels and wear cotton socks to keep stain on clothing and furniture minimal. Make sure you dilute oils using olive or vegetable oil. If you have allergies or sensitive skin, but which oils are best for cracked heels? Lavender essential oil. It's one of the best because it has regenerative, antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that together help in improving the cracking. You can add a few drops in warm bath water or in your moisturizing lotion and then apply to the heels. When retiring the two back, remember to wear cotton socks and take a considerable time. Massaging oil is effectively absorbed. You will enjoy the added benefit of better sleep. Peppermint essential oil. This oil has omega-3 fatty acids, which are great in nourishing the skin. The menthol also helps in soothing skin that is irritated. Make a foot scrub using the oil, coarse sea salt, cornmeal, and dry oatmeal to get the best result. You can then massage the dry scrub to the heels and soles to exfoliate. Eucalyptus essential oil. It works on cracked heels by killing viruses and bacteria which can be termed as root causes of blistering and cracked heels. The oil soothing dry skin as oil and can be used to disinfect athletic shoes and socks. Lemon essential oil. This essential oil has great benefits to cracked heels because it removes skin toxins, improves circulation, thereby hastening the healing process of the body. The oil is also a great choice in brightening dull skin and warming the feet. You get to enjoy the added benefits of improved relaxing and refocusing the mind. Tea tree essential oil. It happens to be a very common ingredient in foot scrubs and lotions as a fungal medicine and deodorant. You can mix with rosemary oil to moisturize cracked heels and relieve any pain present. Another way of reaping better result on cracked heels is combining this oil with lavender and rosemary in a warm foot bath before soaking the cracked heels. You can then massage olive oil or almond oil and cover using cotton socks to keep the heels moisturized through the night. Important to remember is that tea tree oil can be irritating to sensitive skin, hence you might consider diluting before using it. When used in the right oil, essential oils can be very beneficial. Choose high quality oils to enjoy the results you are looking for and follow the instruction of use. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel if you like this video.